Stephanie here from Oh You're Lovely, and today we're going to take someone's trash because I found this at the thrift store and we're going to turn it into a treasure. Lovely circle thingamajig I found at the thrift store recently, and I decided it needed something else to it. I mean, this is fun as it is, but I think it needs a little bit of greenery. Like, it's gonna look like one of those hoop things that you see where everybody connects all the hoops and then puts some greenery and flowers, but that hard part's already done for us. So we're just gonna take and we're gonna zhuzh it up a little bit, add some greenery, add some Sola flowers. It's gonna be a ton of fun. So let's jump right into the tutorial. For this tutorial, you are going to need some sort of treasure, however you want to look at it, some junk. And we're going to add greenery. This you can find in the shop. I am going to use greenery that has a lot of flow to it for this particular tutorial. Let's see if that works. I hope it does. And we're going to just kind of get it to shape around the circles as we want. And then I've already pre-stemmed up some Sola flowers. These are our American Beauties in a range of sizes. And then I'm also going to use some gingers. And ginger, I've already painted the centers black so she looks like an anemone. And these, I did that handy dandy little trick that we've done in the past where you take a little bit of paddle wire, fold it in half, and just insert it there. Boop. Give her some legs. Gosh, you guys, this tutorial is going to be interesting. Give her some little legs because we're going to wrap it around the hoop. All right, that's it. That's all we're going to need. So let's get to this tutorial. All right, I've got my handy dandy pliers. I'm also going to grab some binding wire. And I realized I didn't put that as a list or one of the items that we need for this tutorial, but I think that's going to work really well for us. And I'm going to take some of these longer ones. Let's actually find the longest one. This is the longest one. And we're going to clip it right at there. And then grab the second longest one. The rest of it, I've got my glue gun on the sidelines. We might need to use like individual pieces or groups of these, and so I've got my glue gun ready just in case if I need to wire those up somehow. All right, so the first thing we're gonna do, I'm gonna focus on the real big rings. Okay. So things like that. And I'm gonna grab this bind wire and I'm gonna throw flowers off my table apparently. Like I said, this is going to be an interesting tutorial today. Don't know why, but it's turning that way. All right, I'm going to slide this in a little bit. And I think what we'll do is we'll put a flower like right there. But with the bind wire, we're going to wrap this in a couple different spots because we want to keep the greenery. We want it to keep that shape. So I'm going to kind of weave this through. One down, next one to go. I'm gonna move this. I'm afraid I'm gonna throw it onto the ground by accident. I've already done this one and this one, and I'm laying down now the last bits of greenery, and I've decided what I want to do is I'm going to circle this one around here, but then I'm going to come up and go the opposite side this way and almost fully encompass this particular circle, and then up here I'm going to go the opposite direction as well and fill out there. So I'm going to bind these all up, and then we'll get to adding the flowers. Okay, she is all greenified. Sure, that's a word. And now what we're gonna do is we're going to add some Sola flowers, just kind of sprinkled throughout. And then we're done. This is actually a really easy project, I'm thinking. So those might be famous last words. That's what we're gonna do, so let's do that right now. So what we're gonna do is we've got those little legs on our flowers, pop it on there, come back around, twist it like you would a twist tie. Now, it will be much easier to do this if you have pliers standing by too, to get it nice and tight up against that. So I'm gonna do that in just a second, so that I get a nice secure wrap in this. And then any excess wire, we're just going to trim off. Be the quickest, fastest project I think I've ever done. It came together so quickly in terms of like, it's just a couple of things that added to this. You could spray paint this. I think on the camera it looks black, but it's actually this like bronze kind of metal looking thing. I wasn't mad about it. So I like how this is looking, but you could go gold or white, whatever. So do not just think that you can't find something at the thrift store that you can add a little bit of extra to it and completely change it. And for like, this was like $4, I wanna say. I'm not mad about that either. So now I gotta find a spot in the studio to pop it up on the wall. I probably should have done that beforehand, but I was so excited to work with this, so I didn't really care that I don't know for sure where it's gonna find its final home, but we'll figure out something. All right, guys, I hope you love this tutorial. Maybe we'll make this a series, a trash to treasures kind of series. We'll see. If you guys love the video, let me know, and we'll make sure to make more of these. To find out about the 150 plus Sola style flowers we carry in the shop, as well as greenery and craft supplies, go to ohyourlovely.com. If you're loving these videos, can't get enough, want to know when the next one goes live, make sure to subscribe and ring that bell. And until next time, this is Stephanie from Oh You're Lovely, and you, my friends, are absolutely lovely. Bye, guys.